So you came back because you want some of my best base plays with doing zero research yourself. Don't worry, I've got you guys. I've got 3 amazing low cap base plays that all of you need to go and check out. At the end of the video, you follow all of these projects. At the end of the video, you do your own research. At the end of the video, you become part of the community. Another one of those videos, guys. It's another one, okay? Yesterday, you guys came through strong. I need all of you to pause the video and show me who the most base community is. You need to go and subscribe. We're on our journey to 15k subaroony doonies. The YouTube algorithm says, hey Lex, you're doing a great job if they like the video and leave a comment. So you know what to do, guys. We hit 100 smackaroonies last night. 104 schmackaroonies to be exact. And ETH looks like it is ready to take off. So with that being said, that brings me to project number 1. Now, like I said, guys, what you got to do for me is you got to go to these communities. You got to go to their recent tweet. And you got to say Lex was here. I don't care what one it is. You say Lex was here and you go and check out their projects, guys. Pot Protocol is one that I've been having a lot of fun on, guys, okay? Pegg is the ticker. It is about to break out. So for everyone who's thinking, I just want a coin to invest in, you guys just stop having so much ants in your pants. They've actually got some amazing updates that did come out today. It's making me want to buy more Pegg, guys. The mobile UI is in its final stages of development and testing. It actually works perfectly, guys. I was able to connect my Phantom wallet to the POC.io website and place an ETH call option. Okay, you got puts and calls. We'll get into that in a second. We're actually going to go and do one on the channel as well, and we can track it together. And then you guys can go to the comment section and you can let me know what you did on POC, because I've already made like $500 of ETH just from this project, guys. Then you reinvest it into whatever you want, reinvest it into Pegg. Now, guys, who saw my first POC update? Put your hands up, okay? Because if you did, you're probably doing well right now. If you didn't, don't worry. It's time for you guys to learn. Now, step 1, we connect our wallet. I actually loaded up my Phantom wallet with, I don't know how much, maybe a couple $100. You don't really need that much to get started, guys. So as you can see, I've got 0.05 ETH in here. I'm rich, okay? I am rich. What do we need to do next, guys? How do we participate in these GameFi trade options? Go to the hatchery. Then what we got to do is we got to choose an essence for our POC, our little chicky. We got to choose an essence for the chicky. I think Ethereum has got more gas left in the tank right now compared to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's done its thing. Maybe we'll put a put option in when we do reach the top. But for now, we say we want an ETH chicken. Which way do we think ETH is gonna go? Down or up, right? A put means down in options trading. A call means up in options trading. Guess what? POC, they're teaching you already. You just learned something. Now, I'm going to say, I think ETH is about to break 4K. Why do I think that, guys? Well, all you got to do is go to the ETH chart, right? And we've been tracking this for so long. So we needed to break out and hold this higher high, okay? So we've broken out. All we got to do is make sure that we hold this level here, which is fantastic. We will be fine, okay? We just got to hold around 3.7k. So I want to say, right, call option, lovely, bang, next. You've then got a variety of different ways that you can rear your chicken, guys. You can make it as cheap or as expensive as you like. So what we can do, guys, is we can do a quick rear, which only takes 3 days. What does that mean? It means you feed your chicken 3 days in a row, and we're going to get into that in a second. I'm actually going to feed him maybe a little bit in advance. We're going to go for the economy plan, bringing the total price to 0.045 ETH. You can see once we do go past the strike price of 3.87k, we then start to go into profit the more that ETH does start to pump. So we're going to accept that, and boom, we've hatched a POC, guys. It is fantastic. So what do we need to do now? We need to take care of our little baby 1842. What we're going to do is we're going to go and return to the coop. The coop will be where you see your little chicky, your little POC. Okay, so right now the current strike price is going to be 3.87k. And you're going to see the intrinsic value will start to increase the more that ETH does start to pump. So we're going to have to keep an eye on our little chicky in all of the base updates. We can feed him in advance. Do I want to feed him in advance? Yeah, why not? We can feed once or feed all. I'm going to feed all so that we can just let him be and enjoy the profits when it is time, guys. So right now we've entered an ETH long for our Pock. He then moves from hungry to fed, and this is where once you've completely fed all of your Pocks, guys, is here. I'm showing you this because I've already done this. I've already took money out. So basically we're playing with free money here. Once you do get your first profitable Pock, it becomes fun and games here. And I showed you guys in the last video, but I'll show you again that all the active ETH call options on Pock are in the money, and the average daily yield is $13 a day, not a month, not a week, a day. Okay, you can use the pay-as-you-go model to manage your risk. That means you don't even need to really worry about the feeding too much. If you need some time to be, feeding your chicken, it's okay. He'll just go to the staff section. Just make sure you feed him to lock in those profits before the market does move. You can do all of this on mobile as well, guys. So I'm showing you on a desktop, but it's so easy to do it on mobile. Okay, the desktop UI is fantastic, the mobile UI is fantastic. So whether you're Android, iPhone, whatever laptop you have or desktop, and soon, guys, they're gonna enable some copy trading, which is going to be fantastic. You guys can say, hey, I want to copy Lex's Pocks. You can do that so easy. You can see on this account, this is my Chrome account, I already got one Pock in profit not too long ago. This is Pock number 2. We're playing with free money here. We're going to see how many profitable Pocks we can go in a row. But then you can go to the global ranking and you can see for yourself, guys. Look at the Pock leaderboard. Some people here have profited 11 ETH already. That's 44k. So while this is a low cap, it's not a shit coin, guys. It's a utility play. Then we come to our trusty chart. We've been tracking the Pock chart on X for a long time. If you're not already following the X, go and follow the X. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. $1.74 right now. Where is the breakout target going to bring us, guys? It's going to bring us like over $2.50, which is going to be the equivalent 61% move from the point of breakout, and this is just the start, guys. Currently, it's only a $20 million fully diluted valuation. When we compare it to some of the coins that I'm going to show you in a second, you're going to say to yourself, I probably need a Pegg position. And then we come to Aerobud, right? Who is an Aerobud holder? Let me know in the comments. Leave a comment right now. You guys smashed it in yesterday's video. If you're an Aerobud holder, if you're an Aerobud community member, subscribe to the channel. You guys told me you would help me to 15k subaroonies. Don't let me down. Just as some solid proof as to why the Aerobud community are so strong. Watch this. Now, as many of you guys know, I have a lovely dog named Sebi. And what are Aerobud trying to do, guys? They're basically a charity for pets. They're bringing pets on chain, right? So far, they've contributed $8,000 towards charitable causes. Now, when you go and you check out the top gainers on base over the past 24 hours, guys, look at this, 115% for Aerobud. Okay, so who bought the dip? The dip was like 3 cents not too long ago. I think it was yesterday. The dip was about 3.5 cents. We're now approaching 7 cents. And guys, a bit of sneaky alpha for you. A little bit of sneaky alpha. We're going to be getting the founder of Aerobud on the channel. So any questions that you guys have, leave it in the comments, guys. Leave it in the comments. Let me know what you want me to ask the Aerobud team directly. But it's great that they'll be coming on the channel some point next week. As you can see, they've got a lot of announcements coming up that they probably want to let you guys know about. And it's not only the top movers, guys, but it's starting to climb up in market cap now. Okay, it's now a top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's basically a top 10 meme coin in base by market cap. Okay, it is really starting to pick up. Is it going to start to take over Mr. Miggles? Is it going to take over Keycat? Is it going to take over Ski? When you come to the chart, guys, $64 million fully diluted valuation. And it has hit our technical breakout level. So we really should be expecting some resistance here, okay? If you just think we just go straight up forever, parabolic, that is when the chart starts to get unhealthy. So if we do have some consolidation around here, literally it is hitting it perfectly. That is fine, and it may allow you to build another position. So what am I going to do for Aerobud, guys? I'm going to be trying my best to build a position in the consolidations. I didn't really buy too much down here. A lot of you guys bought in for like 1 cent and you were on my case. You were like, Lex, buy Aerobud. And I didn't really buy. But it is now on my radar. I saw how good the community were. Even speaking with the team, it looks like they're doing things for a good cause. I can back that for a project. And then last but not least, token number 3, guys. Ski Mask Dog. Right, we've picked 3 coins, which are quite obvious today. Okay, so I will get into the dirty small caps in the next video if enough people do like it. But today I picked small cap community coins, the ones that have like the biggest community engagement on X that I see at the moment. Ski Mask Dog is super up there. You guys always come through and you absolutely killing my tweets, just putting ski underneath everything. Now, one thing that Ski Mask Dog is not like is Hawk Tour. Look at this on the bubble maps, guys. 96% of the supply in one cluster. Who watched the Twitter thing yesterday with CoffeeZilla? She was stressing. The team was stressing. But when it comes to Ski Mask Dog, you have not got to worry about that. Evenly distributed equals low chance of rug pull. And to go on further from that, $28 million in volume, 110k holders, 17k swaps on Coinbase wallet, highest level of engagement on X for several weeks in a row, new listings coming. It's breaking all the stats, guys. It's a no-brainer to be holding for like a top base meme coin. Is it going to be hitting a billy soon? I think it could be, guys. It's at a $300 million market cap right now. This might be the next thing to take off. Well, it's already taken off. What am I talking about? It's already a $300 million market cap. But this could be like a self-fulfilling prophecy to go to a $1 billion market cap, guys. It's going to bring it around $1. Okay, that would be fantastic for Ski Mask Dog. You guys let me know how high you think it's going to go. But right now, when you go and you check out the 1 hour chart, remember this is small time frame stuff. It looks like we're starting to form some sort of pennant, and decision time is coming very soon. So if you're not in, this could be some sort of good entry before tomorrow. Again, not financial advice. I don't know. It could break up. It could break down. But seeing how bullish things are, I think it's going to break up. So there you have it. They are my 3 favorite base coins at the current time, guys. You go and follow all the communities. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Will you be participating in the communities of any of these tokens? You let me know in the comments. If you made it this far, pause the video, smash the like button, subscribe for more base content. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.